students, I am Mrs. Anita Verma from St. Norbert Senior Secondary School, Damoh. I welcome you all in our new video session that is chapter 4, grouping of materials. In previous video, as we learned about classification based on source and based on origin. Now we will be learning about classification based on properties. You know what is matter? Yes, the material which can occupy space and has definite mass is known as matter. Matter को property के according three state में डिवाइड किया गया: solid, liquid and gas. So first one, solid. Solid have definite shape and volume and its particles are very tightly held in each other and force of attraction of also strong. They cannot move free. And second one is liquid. Liquid does not have definite shape. It takes the shape of container. It has a definite volume and in liquid state particles are loosely held. It always flow from uphill to downhill. And third is gas. The gases matter neither has definite volume nor definite shape. The particles in this state are very loosely held and move far away from each other freely. Now we will be discuss about some physical and chemical properties of matter. Material को physical and chemical properties के according classify किया गया है. So first is texture. Texture को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है: shiny, non-shiny, and second rough and smooth. And second is toughness. So first hard and soft. And third one solubility. So soluble and insoluble materials. And fourth one density. And fifth one light. लाइट को ट्रांसपेरेंसी के अकॉर्डिंग थ्री पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है: ट्रांसपेरेंट, ट्रांसलूसेंट एंड ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ we will be learn one by one. So first one is texture, means दिखावट. Some metals like iron, copper, aluminium, silver, etc. have similar appearance in term of luster. यानी कि इन metals में shining होती है. All metals have shining, but non-metals like wood, cotton and stones do not have shining appearance. मतलब नॉन मेटल्स में शाइनिंग नहीं होती है. मेटल्स को जब एयर या फिर मॉइस्चर में रखा जाता है तो उसकी शाइनिंग जो है वो डल हो जाती है. सेकेंड वन टफनेस. सो फर्स्ट वन हार्डनेस. किसी भी सब्सटेंस को यदि अपन टच करते हैं तो उसे समझ में आ जाता है कि वो हार्ड है कि सॉफ्ट है. द सब्सटेंस विच कैन नॉट बी प्रेस्ड और स्क्रैच्ड इजीली आर नोन एज हार्ड सब्सटेंस. Example are stones and irons. And second one, soft substance. The substance which can be pressed or scratched easily are known as soft substance. Example, cotton and sponge. And third one is solubility. So first, soluble substance. The substance which are completely miscible in water are called soluble substance. Example, table salt, sugar, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas also. And second, insoluble substance. The substance which are not miscible in water are called insoluble substance. यानी कि जो वाटर में soluble नहीं होते हैं. Example, sand, dust, oil, butter are insoluble in water. Fourth one is density. Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. The greater the mass, the greater is the weight and greater is the density of the substance. यदि mass अधिक होगा या तो density भी अधिक होगी. The denser substance sink in water while the less dense substance float on the water. यानी density जो है वो अधिक होगी water से तो substance sink करेगा water में. जैसे कि iron piece की डेंसिटी वाटर से अधिक है इसलिए वो वाटर में सिंक करता है, जबकि वुड जो है उसकी डेंसिटी वाटर से कम रहती है, इस कारण से वो वाटर में फ्लोट करता है. फिफ्थ वन light. So the material can be classified into three categories based on their transparency. First is transparent, second translucent and opaque. So first one, transparent material. The material through which we can see the other object clearly are called transparent material. Means light can pass through these material very easily. Example, air, glass and water. And second one, translucent material. The material through which we can see partially are translucent material. Example are plastic, butter paper, etc. Means light can pass partially through these materials. And third one, opaque material. The material through which light cannot pass are known as opaque material. It means we cannot see through them. Example, wood, stone, hand wall,